First on Fox, the search for a teenager accused of murder, then escaping juvie, has hit a dead-end road. As Fox Files investigator Mitch McCoy reports, police say their hands are tied.
Hi there, good to be with you. In many cases, when investigators need help looking for someone, they would release the person's name and photo. But that has not been done in this case, and police have been looking for the 17-year-old for more than a week.
If I had my way and the law didn't prohibit me, we should put the picture out there.
St. Louis Metropolitan Police Chief Robert Tracy says Missouri law does not allow him to release the name or photo of the 17-year-old who escaped the juvenile detention center on February 3rd.
You and I have had this conversation where, I don't make some of the rules, but I do have to follow them. And some of them might be unpopular.
Police sources tell me the teenager escaped from a parking garage by rolling under the security gate. A canine also found his shirt. The 17-year-old is charged with second-degree murder and has not been charged as an adult. He had been in custody since December 8th after investigators say he shot and killed a 20-year-old in October.
The murder charges might be there, but he's still considered a juvenile, and therefore the rules that are in place, they got to be changed in the state legislature.
And you would support that?
I'd have case-by-case basis. I'm not trying to waffle on this, but I always tell you there's exceptions to the rule across the board. I think we should thoughtfully take a look at that.
On a case like that, these laws can actually jeopardize public safety.
St. Louis University law professor Anders Walker says there are few exceptions to juvenile privacy laws unless there's a court order and a judge approves.
The police are handcuffed.
This is a tough situation.
Well, it's not just a tough situation, it could be a tragic situation. Let's say somebody does get hurt and there's good reason to think this was a dangerous offender. Then it's going to be very bad.
You talk about juvenile privacy laws, and then you talk about how do you weigh it with the safety of the community.
I think it's definitely something we can look at.
In Jefferson City, State Representative and House Majority Leader John Patterson says it may be time to review the law.
You have to definitely protect the privacy and safety of a child, but if they're wanted for a murder and you could prevent another murder, then I think it's something that we should look at.
For the Fox Files, I'm investigator Mitch McCoy.